If you work in a hospital or a nursing home kitchen, you might wonder, do I actually need a food handler card, or is it just a restaurant thing? I'm Gavin, and before becoming a registered dietitian and the program administrator for FoodSafePal, a nationally recognized food handler card issuer, I worked for several years as a dietary aide in a nursing home, and during that time I had to complete food safety training and earn a food handler card myself. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through when food handler cards are required in healthcare settings, who needs one, how to earn an approved card online, and when food manager certification comes into play. A food handler card shows that you've completed an approved food safety course and passed an exam covering the basic, things like personal hygiene, cross-contamination, time and temperature controls, and cleaning and sanitizing. Most people associate food handler cards with restaurants, coffee shops, and grocery stores, but you may also need one to work in healthcare facility kitchens. Most hospitals, nursing homes, and long-term care facilities are regulated under federal healthcare standards, which place a heavy emphasis on food safety because patients and residents are more vulnerable to foodborne illnesses compared with the general population. Facilities are routinely inspected, usually every year, and surveyors expect staff to demonstrate food safety knowledge across the entire flow of food, from receiving and storage to cooking, cooling, reheating, and service. Now, here's the key points. Federal rules do not explicitly say that every dietary aide, cook, or dishwasher must hold a food handler card. What they do require is proof that staff are trained and competent in food safety. Because of that, many healthcare facilities require annual food safety training, and many use food handler training programs as an easy, standardized way to meet that requirement. Still, while federal laws might not require it, state and local laws come into play. Some states do require a food handler card for people working in healthcare kitchens. Others don't have a statewide law, but allow counties or local health departments to set their own rules. If you do need a food handler's card, the good news is that you can earn it online. The most important thing is making sure the card is actually accepted. Courses that are accredited by the ANSI National Accreditation Board, ANAB, are considered the gold standard and are widely accepted in healthcare settings. FoodSafePal's food handler course is ANAB accredited. It's fully online and can be completed from any device. Most people finish the training and test in about 90 minutes. And if you don't pass on the first try, you can retake it for free. In most states, the card is valid for 3 years, or 2 years in Texas. Some employers still require annual food safety training, even while the card is valid. And FoodSafePal allows you to retake the training each year without having to repurchase the course until it expires. Now, let's quickly talk about food manager certification and when you might need it. Every healthcare facility must designate someone to oversee food service operations, often called the Director of Food and Nutrition Services. This person is responsible for food safety systems, not just day-to-day tasks. If that role is filled by a registered dietitian, additional food manager credentials usually aren't needed. But if it's not, the requirements can be met by earning food manager certification by passing the Certified Food Protection Manager (CFPM) exam. There are no education or experience requirements to take that exam, but completing a comprehensive training course to prepare is important. FoodSafePal's food manager training is designed to prepare you for the exam and includes a full-length mock exam that shows exactly what you need to review, something other programs don't offer. Some states also require the Certified Dietary Manager credential for management roles, but even then, food manager certification is often still required or preferred because it's nationally accredited. So if you have questions, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, if you need to earn your food handler card or earn food manager certification, you can get started at FoodSafePal.com.